Alright guys, so we were seared the fat cap for the most part. It has a sear to it. It's crispy, so that's good. So basically we let this cook for about maybe 2 minutes. No, I'm not flipping it yet. So we flip it for like, we come over here and see we're gonna cook it for about 2 minutes. Zoom out a little bit, zoom out. Yeah, okay. Now, if you look in close, see how much fat, look how much oil this thing is producing. That's what I'm saying. This is why this is the steak of steaks. Look at this. Look at all that. Okay? So we let that cook on that side. Now, my goal for this Wagyu is to get it about to a medium plus. Okay? I'm not doing straight up medium rare or anything like that, just a medium plus. That'll give us the tenderness, that'll give us the fat, all of that. Okay? So, we got a few more seconds to go. What we're trying to do is, we're trying to really sear that steak. We're not cooking it just yet. It's cooking, but we're just searing it. Yeah, the reason the camera moved, because the cameraman is trying to sneak in some kisses, y'all. Understand that. It ain't me.
I'm sorry.
So it's cooking in its own fat right now. It's like frying in its own fat. It's probably one of the most beautiful things you'll ever witness. Okay, in this beautiful steak. And my job is to do it justice. Yep, see, she did it again, y'all. Not centered. Sneaking in smooches. Tell her this ain't time for that. There's time and a place. Okay. Ouch. Okay, y'all. So, I'm gonna take a look at it and see if it's time to flip it. Now, it won't stick, believe me. Especially if you get the right sear. So let's see how we did as far as the sear is concerned. Oh, y'all gonna love this when I flip it. Oh boy. Look at that sear on that Wagyu. Look at that. Look at that.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Look at that beautiful sear. Okay. So now,
Turn this sideways. That's a nice view.
look at that beautiful sear. See, that's what you're going for. That's Wagyu right there. Alright. Alright, so that's going to cook like that for 2 minutes. And then guys, we're going to take it out and let it rest. When we take it out and let it rest, I'll be right back.